word arrived at the racecourse there was trouble in Dublin and that the Citizen Army was in the post office. And I wouldn't believe it until I came into Dublin. When I went to Dublin, I was halted at the barricade and could go no further. But if you didn't go there any further, you'd run the risk of a sniper, be shot. And the bullet did whiz by me before at the broad stone. Now, did. I got straight there, and a bit lucky there I didn't get a lick.
You were very lucky, very lucky.
And during the week I got a man and his daughter on the car to go to the cemetery office. And I went up by the broad stone and had to go all the way round. And North Frederick Street, I was told, don't go down there, there's a sniper. And the little people off the car at Harvey Street. And just as I let them down, a bullet went off and I heard a man saying, help, help, help. And I pulled down the car and put him on it, drove him to the Mater Hospital and left him there. I didn't know more about him after that.